I want to convey my heartiest greetings to everybody, those who are present in this occasion. I welcome all of you who have taken admission at Jadavpur University on my personal behalf as well as on the behalf of Jadavpur University. It would have been really nice if I could see you all and can address you on this particular auspicious occasion when you are starting your journey at Jadavpur University. But unfortunately, due to COVID-19 pandemic, I had to resort to this virtual mode where I am addressing completely on the virtual medium without any eye contact with the students, those who have got admission at the undergraduate program at Jadavpur University through West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination. So it's really a moment of pride for all of you to get admitted to Jadavpur University because it involves a lot of competition and only those who are ranking on at the top they are getting admission at Jadavpur University. You are very much acquainted that the Jadavpur University engineering faculty, the engineering and technology faculty is very well known and reputed, and it's a very old one also in that particular respect. And some of the departments, particularly mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, they are one of the oldest departments in India. Jadavpur University engineering faculty is very well known for the students who are passing out from this university, and all the students are now placed at different reputed institutes, industries, or various governments or private levels, not only at the national level but on the international level also. So Jadavpur University in that particular sense is very well recognized. Even during this pandemic situation also, our placement record is praiseworthy, particularly for the year 2020 as well as for the year 2021. So even in the year 2021, in fact, you have got some media report that under this particular pandemic situation also where we are not contacting the placement on the physical mode, it is being held completely on the virtual medium. In that particular circumstances also we have achieved more than 80% campus placement through our Jadavpur University placement office. So obviously we are proud for our students. They are performing very well, not only in the technical side, obviously their soft skill, the communication skill, everything is definitely very much competitive, and because of which the industries are coming, the reputed companies, the industries, the corporate house, they are coming and they are recruiting the students from our university. So obviously, possibly were aware that various multinational corporate house like Google, Microsoft, Airbus, they are also recruiting from the Jadavpur University and they are offering very good package to all the students. So in terms of the placement, as I told you, our performance is very good, and I would urge all of you to concentrate on your studies. And if you can perform very well, definitely your career will be assured. And regarding the other aspects, obviously, once a student passes from Jadavpur University, there are different opportunities which you can avail. One is definitely joining an industry or corporate house that is going for a job. Another option could be you can go for higher studies, that is, you can go for MTech or ME, or even you can go for higher studies abroad, particularly in Europe or some Western countries like USA or Canada, or even in the Asia Pacific region like particularly the Australia. Various students are going there for higher studies, particularly for masters and PhDs at some reputed institutes. And another option could be to go for management. Quite a few students are going for that, and they are appearing for the common entrance test, that is the CAT examination, which is basically the admission test for admission in the MBA program at different IIMs, that is the Indian Institutes of Management. So doing an MBA course at IIM is definitely very much lucrative, because finally your future will be definitely very good, and quite a few students are going in that particular line also. So there are different options, and after going through the first year, or particularly after going through the second year, you should concentrate on what, in which line you like to go after completing the 4 year degree course from this university. I'm talking about the 4 year degree course, but for architecture department it is 5 year degree. So for architecture it is the 5 year, but for all other 15 departments it is 4 year degree course. Regarding the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, it is offering 16 undergraduate programs, including the pharmacy and architecture, and obviously there are several other postgraduate programs also. I am not mentioning that. And obviously you will be able to know about your university, because there is a particular lecture that will be given by somebody, that is the Know Your University. In that particular segment, you will get the opportunity to know about the different faculties of the universities. Obviously, you are coming to the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. The abbreviation it is called the APT. But there are Faculty of Science, Faculty of Arts, and there is another unique faculty that is very unique in that particular sense. It is the Faculty of Interdisciplinary Science and Management, FISMM. So they are offering basically the PG courses in different frontier fields, particularly more specifically. These are called the schools, like School of Environment Studies, School of Energy Studies, School of Illuminations, School of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. So there are several schools like that. They are all offering the PG degrees. Regarding the performance in the engineering, I must say that Jadavpur University is consistently performing very well in all the national and international ranking, particularly with respect to the engineering faculty, as well as on the overall basis also. So we are always ranking just within top few state-funded universities. Also in the engineering field also, our rank in 2021 is just within the bracket of 10 to 20. So this is the NIRF ranking. In terms of the NIRF ranking, then that is the one of the most famous ranking, which is done by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So apart from the ranking, if we come to other segments, the other facets, I told one aspect, that is the placement. So I told you that the placement is very good. Another aspect is the research. Though the UG students are not very much involved in research, but there is a lot of scope, particularly for those who are interested to go for higher studies, maybe in India or on the international level. Our research performance is also very good. It is definitely one of the topmost. Definitely, we are competing with the IITs. Though we are receiving the fund, that is the research fund that we are receiving, it is about 1/10 of any IITs. But our performance, if it is just evaluated in terms of the number of publications, particularly the quality publications, the citation index, or the average impact factor, we can compete with any top-rated IITs, even with the ISC Bangalore also. So our research performance is very good. It's really competitive, and it is quite praiseworthy in that particular sense. I personally came to the administration for the last 5 years. I was the Dean of Faculty of Engineering and Technology. I just just officiated the position of registrar also for quite a few months, nearly a year. And presently, I am the pro vice chancellor, looking after all the administrative issues, particularly the general administration as well as the finance and all other IT related issues and several other aspects also. So if you face any problem, definitely you can come to me. You can contact me. My basic, I am from the technology department, that is from the engineering faculty itself, personally. I was a teacher, in fact, still I am the teacher of this university in the chemical engineering department, Jadavpur University. I joined the university in 1991 after completing my higher studies from IIT Kanpur, and particularly for the apart from the last 5 years, I was fully involved as a teacher as well as in the research, and lot of students, more than 30 students, have completed their doctoral thesis under my supervision. So, just regarding the chemical engineering department, I can tell you that it is the one of the oldest chemical engineering department across the world. It is the oldest chemical engineering department in Asia and third oldest chemical engineering department in the world. So this year we are celebrating our centenary. It is the centenary year because the chemical engineering department in Jadavpur University was formed in 1921. So 2021 is the centenary year for the chemical engineering department, and those who have taken admission in the chemical engineering department, they should be proud of it that they have taken admission in the centenary. So this is just regarding the chemical engineering department, which is my own department, my actually parent department, I should say. But for all other departments, as I told you, the mechanical, civil, electrical, they are also very old. One of the oldest departments, definitely, because we have started our journey long before the independence. Though the Jadavpur University has got the finally, it took shape in 1955 through the Jadavpur University Act, which was passed in the Assembly of the West Bengal. But university has started its functions in the form of National Council of Education Bengal, which has formed this particular engineering, this particular institute as a part of a nationalized movement to impart the indigenous education to the students. So this particular Jadavpur University, the character of the Jadavpur University is always anti-establishment in that particular respect. So it is some sort of revolutionary in nature because it was formed in the era in the just before the independence, particularly during the era of the British rule. As I told you, for chemical engineering, it has started its journey in 1921, long before the independence. So basically, we are always something in terms of thinking. We are always innovative, and we always just think some in a something different manner, not we are basically copying our thinking from the other institutes or from particularly from the world ranked institutes. So in that particular respect, the Jadavpur University is always having a unique character, and still we are having that particular unique character, and we are proud of it also. So in terms of the NAC accreditation, our performance is very good. We are ranking just among the top institutions in the India. And in the year 2021, basically we were supposed to go for the NAC accreditation, but the overall process got delayed because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And we are expecting that we'll go for the NAC accreditation in the year 2022. We are already NAC accredited, and we have got a very high score in the year 2014. In terms of the another very important aspect in terms of accreditation for engineering or technology is the NB accreditation. Jadavpur University is not yet NB accredited, but it is always AICTE approved. We are always in the just in a very good position in the AICTE approval, but we have not done the NB accreditation because of that particular revolutionary nature of Jadavpur University. That we always think that since our engineering is very strong and we are very old, we thought that we didn't require any accreditation or recognition by somebody. But nowadays, it has been made mandatory that we should go for the accreditation, and the NB accreditation is under progress for most of the departments. Out of the 16 departments, the pharmacy and architecture doesn't require the NB accreditation because they are governed by separate council. For architecture, it is the Council of Architecture, and for pharmacy, it is the Pharmacy Council of India, that is the PCI. But for other departments, the MBA accreditation is very much required, and we are doing for that. And for three departments, already we have submitted the SAR, that is the self-assessment report. Those three departments are the power engineering, the information technology, and instrumentation and electronics engineering. For the other departments, obviously the process is underway, and we are expecting to submit the self-assessment report very now. So this is a very brief overview about the Jadavpur University. And again, I welcome you all to this particular university, and we are expecting that once the COVID-19 situation will improve, we can open up our campus, because all of you now have taken the admission completely in the virtual mode. Though you have come, particularly in 2020, the students didn't get the opportunity to come to the campus at all. But in 2021, you have come to the campus at the TQE building for taking the admission and for physical verification of all the documents. So we are expecting that after the Puja vacation, if the situation remains everything okay in terms of the COVID-19 situation, we'll be able to open up our campus, and then we'll be able to meet you all. And I'm really interested to meet you all personally. And if you face any problem, you can contact me through email, or in case of very emergency, you can come to meet me. So I again congratulate you for getting admission at Jadavpur University, and I wish you all the best. So with this, I want to conclude. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.